Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot in the comments. Does EverBank have direct deposits? Now, I know this might seem like a simple question with a straightforward answer, but trust me, there's a bit more to it than meets the eye. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and understand why direct deposits are so important. For starters, they're incredibly convenient. Instead of having to physically go to the bank or ATM to deposit your paycheck or other income, the money is transferred directly into your account. It's like having a personal assistant handling your finances for you. But convenience isn't the only reason direct deposits are valuable. They can also help you avoid fees. Some banks charge fees for using ATMs or for paper statements. With direct deposits, you can often avoid these charges and save yourself some money. EverBank, a brief overview. Now that we've established the importance of direct deposits, let's talk about EverBank. If you're not familiar with the bank, it's an online-only financial institution. That means you won't have any physical branches to visit. Instead, you'll do all of your banking online or over the phone. While EverBank may not be as well known as some of the larger traditional banks, it has a lot to offer. The bank offers a variety of financial products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, CDs, and loans. And, of course, we're here today to find out if direct deposits are one of those products. Does EverBank have direct deposits? So, does EverBank have direct deposits? The short answer is yes. You can set up direct deposits with EverBank just like you would with any other bank. You'll need to provide your employer or other income source with your EverBank account information, and they can then set up the direct deposit. The benefits of direct deposits with EverBank. Setting up direct deposits with EverBank can offer several benefits. For starters, it can help you save time and money. As we mentioned earlier, direct deposits can help you avoid fees and reduce the need to make frequent trips to the bank. Additionally, EverBank offers a variety of tools and resources that can make managing your finances easier. For example, you can set up alerts to be notified when your direct deposits are posted, or you can use the bank's online banking platform to track your spending and budgeting. Things to consider. While direct deposits are a great feature, it's important to consider a few things before choosing EverBank. First, make sure that your employer or other income sources are able to set up direct deposits with the bank. Some employers or organizations may only work with traditional banks. Second, keep in mind that EverBank is an online-only bank. If you prefer to do your banking in person, you may want to consider a traditional bank instead. So, there you have it. EverBank does offer direct deposits, and they can be a convenient and beneficial way to manage your finances. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. If you're looking for an online bank with a variety of financial products and features, EverBank may be a good option. But if you prefer to do your banking in person, or if your employer or income sources don't support direct deposits with EverBank, you may want to consider other options. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about EverBank or direct deposits, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice.